Say the swear ones. You say the swear ones. I'll say the not swear ones.
Hi!
Hi!
How are you today?
Okay, we're gonna tell some jokes today.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
What's your name? Wow. Hi, I'm Riri.
Hi, Riri.
Wanna know why I'm Riri? Say yes! Because I love Rihanna. So I'm Riri. It's like Rihanna.
Oh. Okay.
Guess what?
What?
If God is watching us, the least we can do is be entertaining.
Like Muppets?
Yeah.
Oh. Wanna know a cool fact?
Uh-huh.
If 4 out of 5 people suffer from diarrhea, does that mean one enjoys it?
Ew! That's nasty.
I enjoy it.
You do?
Uh-huh.
I don't.
I like monkey butt.
I don't.
Riri,
Yeah.
can you read?
How is it one careless match can start a forest fire, but it takes a whole box to start a campfire?
That was not funny.
It was funny to me.
I think it's better to remain silent and be a thought fool than speak and remove all doubt.
Oh, is that a joke?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh.
I steal ideas. To steal ideas from one person is plagiarism. To steal from many is research. So, sure.
Not.
Did you know dolphins are so smart that within a few weeks of captivity, they can train people to stand on the very edge of the pool and throw them fish?
Cool.
Yeah. Never under any circumstances take a sleeping pill and a laxative on the same night.
Do you hear somebody else in this forest? I think there's somebody else in this forest.
Maybe it's that bear right there.
Is it the bear?
Might be.
Oh, are those deer over there?
No, I ate them late earlier.
Oh,